I think that's it. Woo! Take control. Woo! You know what the cables I'm working on? Woo! Take control. That's dope. Interrupted by a scam call. It's so small. It's like that and that's cut off. And then it also feels like it's not as raised, or it's raised in a more convenient way. It's so dope. The strap is cool, but I'm not too sure if I like the yellowness of it. That is so cool, but I don't think I'm gonna take it out yet. Okay, so in that Ziploc, they give you this for the strap, which I'm not gonna put on my keyboard. Some spare screws, some spare keys, which hopefully won't have to make use of, and these to remove the keycaps. Some spare switches, I mean. I guess that's also going to be useful. No, never mind. The box. That's a nice and long cable. So this USB-C end would plug into there. I just need to figure out if I want to put it in my monitor, like route it through my monitor arm into my monitor, or onto the back of my PC, but we'll see. I can't. Oh. Woo! Ignore my cables. I'll sort it out later.